Good morning, children. Hope you all are doing well. Today we will start with the new poem that is The Raindrop by J.E. Brown. Let's narrate the poem. Oh, where do you come from, you little drops of rain? Pitter patter down the window pane. They won't let me walk, and they won't let me play, and they won't let me go out of doors all today. They put away my playthings because I broke them all, and then they locked up all my bricks and took away my ball. They say I'm very naughty, but I have nothing else to do but sit here at the window. I should like to play with you. Thank you.